Okay, we'll go through geometry. And geometry, we got how many things? We got shape, we got area, we got perimeter. And I will not go through volume for you all, because volume I feel is the easiest for you all, for the question to ask you all, because something like volume is very easy for you all. Okay, I will touch area and perimeter. Okay, and the question will be very tricky. Okay, for these two parts, and I feel that area and perimeter is the most I can say the easiest question to get mark. Okay, you cannot lose mark from this area and perimeter question. It's very easy and very straightforward. Okay, so first of all, you know what is line, right? Line is whatever is a straight line. Okay, line. So what is parallel line? You know about parallel line. Okay, so parallel line is they are the lines that do not meet with each other. Okay, do not meet with each other. No matter how long it go, no matter how long the line go, they do not meet each other. Okay, they do not meet each other. So it's not necessary for these two lines to have the same length. Okay, they can be short, they can be long. Okay, there are two lines, they can be short, they can be long. Yeah, something like that. Okay, correct. So this is parallel line. Okay, okay, they will not meet each other. Okay, they will not touch each other. Okay, you will see that they will not touch each other. No matter how long it go, right, they will just go. They will not touch each other. Okay, they will not intersect with each other also. Okay, they will not cross each other also. Okay, this is parallel, right? Okay, parallel line. Okay, and next. Okay, this parallel line, right? Remember what I tell you, parallel line. Remember what is parallel line? We will touch on it again at angle. Okay, we will touch on it at an angle. Okay, remember this. And this. Okay, what is shape? Shape got square, rectangle, and triangle. What other shape can you tell me? There are three more shapes that you learned before in PE 5, I think. Rhombus, circle, and trapezium. Okay, trapezium. And I never include this trapezium here. And next. Okay, so we'll go through one by one. We'll go through parallelogram first, because square, you know what is square, rectangle, you know what is rectangle. You will know what is triangle, then you know what is circle also, right? So you will know. Okay, so parallelogram. Why they are called parallelogram? Why they call parallelogram? Because parallelogram, there's two pair of parallel line. Okay, there are two pair of parallel line, which means you can see from here. Okay, one and one. So these two, right, is one pair. Okay, this two is one pair, and this two is one pair. Okay, so they are called parallelogram. Okay, which means there are two pair of parallel line. Okay, okay, and then next. Okay, so what is the property of parallelogram? Two pair of parallel line, AD equal to CB. Okay, and AB equal to DC. Okay, and opposite edges have the same angle, which means this angle and this angle is the same. This angle and this angle is the same. Okay, the opposite edges have the same angle. Okay, all sides can be in different length. Okay, remember, parallelogram doesn't mean that the length is the same. Okay, they can be different. Okay, the length can be different. Okay, remember this. Remember this. The side can be in different length. Okay, so rhombus. Next. So rhombus, right? All this length, right, is the same. Okay, all sides have the same length. Okay, all sides have the same length. Okay, opposite edges have the same angle. One, two, same. And this is the same. Yeah, it's like a square. Okay, it's like a square, just like but it's still at the same at a certain angle. Okay, it's still at a certain angle. Okay, so this is rhombus. Okay, okay, triangle. How many type of triangle we got? We got three type. Okay, we got three type. First one. Okay, first one, right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. It has a 90-degree. This square thing, right, this thing, right, tell us that this is 90 degree. Okay, this thing tells us that 90 degree. no matter what is the shape, right? When you see something like this, right, at certain edge, at one edge, there's one thing over here is telling us that this one is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. Okay, so next, this one is equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. Okay, all sides are equal length. Okay, all sides are equal length, and all edges have the same angle. ABC is the same. Okay, angle. Okay, they have the same angle. Okay, remember this. I will touch again for this at angle. Okay, at angle. I'll touch again for this at angle. Okay, and the last one. What about the last one? Okay, the last one is isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. Okay, two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. If this is 5 cm, this must be 5 cm. Okay, but this one is different. Okay, the base is different. Okay, and two edges have the same angle. This and this have the same angle. A equal to B. Okay, these two have the same angle. Okay, clear? Okay, remember all these isosceles, equilateral triangle, all this. I will touch again at angle. The angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree, correct? All angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Okay, as long as it's a equilateral triangle, it will be 60 degree. Okay, it will be 60 degree. Okay, and next. Okay, so area and perimeter. Area is a measurement of a surface. Okay, measurement of a surface. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is a continuous line forming the boundary of a closed geometrical figure. Okay, remember this definition. Remember this definition. Okay, so I ask you, if I want to build fences around my garden, what measurement should I take? Perimeter or area? Everyone need to give me an answer. If I want to build fences around my garden, what measurement should I take? Okay, Melody said perimeter. What about Jaden? Jaden? Never heard from Jaden. Jaden? Perimeter. Okay, so perimeter, correct. So perimeter, because you need to know what is the total length of your garden. Okay, okay. If I want to build a swimming pool in a hall, what measurement should I take? Melody said perimeter. Xiaoning said area. Jaden? Yes. So the answer is area, Melody. Melody, the answer is area. Why? Area, because you need to know how big is the surface, correct? Okay. Okay, understand? And next. So this one is very basic. Everyone know about this. Square and rectangle. Square area of square or rectangle is width times height. Okay, width times height. Okay. Next, area of a triangle, height, width. So how do you get area of a triangle? So you know that this one is a triangle, right? This is where it comes from, because you know that the area of a triangle, of a rectangle, is height times width, right? And half of it is the area of the triangle. So you take width times height and you times half, then you get the area of a right angle triangle. Okay, okay. This is the how the formula come from, where the half come from, which means you divide by half, then you get this triangle. Okay. And next, you can no matter whatever you say, you can say half times base times height. You can say half times length times width, anything. Okay, for my case I use width and height. Okay, and then okay, so you got any question for this area of rectangle, square and triangle? No question. No question. Then I will test you all. I'll test you all. So see where is your understanding. 10 cm times 8 cm. Okay. This is one of the example. Okay. I do for you one. The area of right angle triangle is half. Okay. Half times 8 times 10 equal 40. Okay. Equal 40 cm square. You need to write the cm square. This is the unit. Okay. Because you take cm times cm become 2 cm. So cm square. Okay. Cm square. This is easy. Correct. This is very easy. Next. Okay. Find the area of ABC. Tell me your answer. 26.4 cm square. Okay. 26.4 cm square. 26. 26.4 cm square. Okay. So where is the base? The base is 13.2. Okay. From here, 13.2. And the height is 4 cm. Okay. Remember the formula? Half time width time height. Okay. Width time height or base time height. The base is 13.2. Okay. The height is 4 cm. Okay. 13.2 times 4 times half. So you get 26.4. Okay. It's not 10, it's not this one. It's not 10.5 times 8 times half. Okay. This is not triangle. This is the where the question want to trick you. Okay. They give you this, but they give you this. But these two things is not relevant to your answer. Okay. Okay. If someone ask me and ask me how to do, so I think we can discuss this together. Let's do this. So find the area of the figure. Is the whole figure included the shaded part? Okay. Okay. So find the area of the figure, which means the whole thing. Okay, the whole thing. Okay. So for this triangle, right? See this big triangle, right? The base is what? The base is 26 cm. Okay. The height is this. Okay, the height is this. 9 plus 18. So it's 27. Okay, 27. So you take 27 times 26, then you times half. Then you get the area of this big triangle. Okay. After that, you minus away. You take half times 27 times 26. You got you got 351. Okay. After that, you take 351 minus 125. 226. So this area of this part, right, of this part, right, is 226. Because you got the big part, they minus away this shaded one, you got this one already. So it's 226. So now you left this one. Okay. So this one, right, this whole triangle, right, this is another triangle over here. Okay, another triangle. The height of this triangle is how much? 18. Okay. 18. Okay, from here to here is 18. 18 cm what? Okay. So you take this one is not a straight line, but this one is a straight line. Okay. When this come to here, this point to this point is a straight line. What? Okay. This imaginary line is 18 cm. Okay. So half times 18 times 26 equal 234. Okay. So this area, right, this small triangle area, right, this small triangle area is 234. And you got this triangle, this area of triangle, then you plus this one. This one is 226. So 226 plus 234. Okay. 226 plus 234 equal 460. Okay. This will be the answer, 460. Okay. The figure shows a square. What? Find the area of the shaded triangle. you find out the whole area, the biggest area within the square of the area. 12 times 12 is 114. 144. Okay, 144. Then you find this triangle, this white color triangle, and also this white color triangle. This is 12 times 12 times half. Okay, and this one is, because this one is half what? Okay, half of 12 is 6. 6 times 12 and divided by 2. Okay, half also. Okay, this area of triangle and this area of triangle. Then you take the area of the square, you minus away this part and minus away this part, and you get this part. Okay, you get this part. Okay, and this is pretty easy, I think. Okay, next. How? Circle. So you'll learn about area of circle. No or yes? I think okay. So area of circle, right? There's a one formula to follow. It's only follow the formula only. Okay, nothing special. Just follow formula. Before this, we need to know what is diameter. So diameter, right, is from one point, is a line from one point to another point, but the line, right, must pass through the center. Okay, which means the center of the circle. Okay, the circle must pass through the center of the circle. A line connect from a side to another side through the center of circle. Okay, if the line, right, never pass through the center of circle, right, it's not diameter. Okay, it's not diameter. Not diameter. Okay, the diameter is the length of the line that pass through the center of circle from one side to another side. Okay, now I test you, is this the diameter? This one is the diameter, okay, because they pass through the center. Okay, what about this? Is this the diameter line? No, this is not. Okay, this is not. Okay, next. What about radius? Radius is always half of the diameter. Okay, it's always half of the diameter. Okay, radius is a straight line from the center to the side of the circle. Okay, to any side of the circle, but it must go through the center. Okay, it must go until the center point. Okay, what about this? Is this the radius? Okay, this one is radius. Okay, this one is radius. Okay, correct. Okay, so area of the circle, right? We use radius in the formula, but what is the formula? The formula is very easy. Area of a circle is equal to pi times r square. So you ask me, what is pi? Okay, pi is always a constant. It's always a constant, but we represent this constant in a symbol, which means this symbol is called pi. Pi, okay, pi, okay. Pi is equal to 3.1415 blah 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 blah. Okay, this number is infinity. They got multiple number, is okay, multiple number. Okay, or you can just use 22 over 7. 22 over 7. Okay, r square is r times r. Okay, it's r times r. So area of a circle is pi times r square, which means pi times r times r. Okay, r is the radius. Okay, r is the length of the radius of a circle. Okay, and this 3.1415 blah blah blah, right? We has a day called Pi Day. Okay, Pi Day is at 14th of March. Okay, 14th of March, which means 3.14 is 14th of March. It's a Pi Day. Okay, so every year we got Pi Day. Okay, remember. So next, so area of a circle. If this radius is 14 cm, okay, this radius is 14 cm. What is the area? Area of circle is pi times 14 square. Pi times 14 times 14. Or 3.145 times 14 times 14. Or 22 over 7 times 14 times 14. Okay, its answer is this, 616 cm square. Okay, 616 cm square. Or if you got a calculator, you can use calculator. If you don't have a calculator, then you just use your, you need to calculate up. Okay, and next. So what is the area of a semicircle with diameter of 14 cm? Give me your answer. area of semicircle is half of the area of full circle. So this area is a full circle and you need to time half, okay? Half times pi times 7 square. So its answer is this one. If you do 77, it's fine. It's correct also. Because we know that area of a semicircle you time half, right? So what about the area of a quarter circle? So quarter circle, right? So quarter circle, you know that because this is a semicircle, right? Quarter circle is half of the semicircle, okay? Half of the semicircle. And we know that quarter is equal to 1 over 4, okay? Quarter is equal to 1 over 4. If we got 3 quarter is 3 over 4, okay? Quarter is 1 over 4, 3 quarter is 3 over 4, okay? So remember this. And next. Okay, so perimeter or circumference, okay? This one, circumference, okay? Circumference is the perimeter of the outer layer, okay? The outer length, okay? So in circle, we call it as circumference, okay? So circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times r, okay? 2 times pi times r. Area of a circle, pi times r square, okay? Circumference of a circle, 2 times pi times r, okay? Remember this formula, okay? And next, area of a circle and the circumference of a circle, you need to write down your formula because in a Kahoot, we will use these two formula, okay? In case you forget your other formula, okay? Circumference of is 2 pi r, 2 times pi times r. I always say 2 pi r, okay? It's very easy, 2 pi r. Area of a circle, pi r square, pi times r square, okay? Pi times r. So, okay, remember, you need to write it down in case you forget for Kahoot later. Next. So, what is the circumference of a circle with 14 cm radius? What is your answer? What is the circumference of a circle with 14 cm radius? Answer, circumference of a circle, 2 times pi times r. 2 times pi times 14, 87.976. You can just round it out to 88 cm. Okay, it's also correct. Okay, if you use 22 over 7, because I encourage you all to use 22 over 7. Don't use this one. Okay, if you use this one, you end up with this. If you use this one, right, you end up with 88 cm. Okay, and next. What is the perimeter of a semicircle with 14 cm? Circumference of a semicircle. We know that circumference is semicircle is half. Okay, so half times 2 times pi times 14. You got 43 point. Okay, my mistake. 43.988. Okay, and you need to plus 28. Okay, the 28 from here, from this part. Okay, from this part, from this length. 14 and 14 is 28. Okay, and the answer should be 71.8, 71.98. It's not 85 point. It's not 85.98. Okay, it's 71.98, which means it's 72. Okay, my careless mistake. Okay, sorry. Next. Yeah, remember this part. Okay, you need to remember. You need to plus 28. Okay, you need to plus this line. Okay. More of the students, they got careless mistake from here. They only stop from here. Then this is the final answer, but no, you need to add 28. Okay. And then next. Okay. Perimeter of rectangle is ready. A plus B plus C plus D. Okay. Same with square also. Okay. And a perimeter of triangle is already A plus B plus C. Okay. A plus B plus C. And okay, this figure I want to test you all for this one. Okay, do this one first. The figure shows 3 semicircles and a right angle triangle. Find the shaded area. Okay, so from we want to find out this shaded area. Okay, we want to find out this shaded area. Okay, so what we need to know is this white color area, right? This white color area. So we know that A to B, right, is a semicircle. A to B is a semicircle. Okay, B to C is also a semicircle. Okay, and A to C is also a semicircle. Okay, it's also a semicircle. Okay, And this A to B, right, we can easily find out this area of semicircle. Okay, this A to B. And this B to C can also find out easily. And A to C also can easily find out. Okay. But B to C, right, if I want to find out this shaded part, right, I need to find out this area of semicircle and minus away this part, right? Then we can get this part. Okay. And same to here. We find out this big area of semicircle A to B, and we take away this white color part, then we get the shaded part. Okay. But how do we get this one? Okay, we don't know how to get what. Okay, we don't have a formula to get this one, right? These two parts. But we got this big semicircle. Okay, we got this big semicircle. So what I'm going to do, right? I'm going to find this AC first. This area of AC. Okay, area of AC. Area of AC is equal to half times 10. 10 is the radius. Okay, 10 is the radius because that diameter is 20. What? The radius is 10. Okay. Times 10, then the one was 7. Okay, so answer is 14 okay, so this is the area of AC. Then after that, I need to find out this triangle. Okay, if I take the big area, big circle, big semicircle AC, I minus away this triangle, I will get this area and this area. Correct, I will get this area and this area. Okay, so the area of triangle is 12 times 60 times half. 96. Okay. Then I minus away 157.14 minus 96 equal 61.14. Okay. So this area and this area add together is 71.14. Okay. Then we now find out area of BAB. AB is equal to half times this diameter is 12, half is 6. 6 times 6 times 22 over 7 equal 56.57. Area of BC is equal to half times 8 times 8 times 22 over 7 equal 8 times 8 times 22 over 7 equal 100.57. Okay, if I take this area of AB and BC, right, I take this area of AB and BC, I add together, then I minus away this part and this part, which is 61.14. Then I got the answer already, correct? So I get 100.57, which is this BC area, this whole thing, from this part, this whole thing. I plus this AB, this semicircle AB whole thing. This is 7.57. I minus away this small part and also this small part. And this small part total area is 61.14 equal 96. So answer is 96 cm square.